Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to finish off the zippered pouch that I created using the new Scrap Diva Designs Lemon mini album. I'll have it linked down below, guys. Run and grab this die set. I just went ahead and sewed a zipper on top and then just sewed around to create this pouch. I wanted to go ahead and embellish this, and I wanted to use this bow die. You guys know I purchased this from scrapbook.com. I'll have it linked. The striped bow, this is a small one, and I wanted to embellish this with you guys. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and put just a tiny bit of hot glue. I can probably line this with another paper, but I don't think I want to. I tried so many different bows to put on the center of this, and none of them were looking right to me. And I think I like the way this one looks. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put the flower number 2. The last time I checked, guys, this was sold out on scrapdivadesigns.com, but make sure you guys check to see when she restocks, okay? So these are the vellum flowers that I created. And I think I just wanna do like a little flower cluster there. Now I don't know if I wanna do that. But anyways, I have a tutorial on how to create these. Make sure you guys check it out. I don't know how that's looking now. Maybe I should do like 1 and 1. Let me see if I have another flower. Like, should I do them on both sides? I don't know. I'm having the hardest time embellishing this, guys, because I don't want to overdo it. Ooh, that's pretty in the middle, right? Is that too plain? I don't know now, guys. I do like the way it looks in the center. I don't know. I'm having the hardest time embellishing this for some reason. I just don't want to do too much, and I don't want to do too little at the same time. Let me look at it again. I do like the bow. I think I'm just going to go with this. You guys can let me know down below what you think about the flower in the center of that bow. But I'm just going to go with this. Gonna cluster them here on the side. Don't forget to use code Poochie10 to save on scrapdivadesigns.com. You guys, you get 10% off your entire purchase. And then I actually wanted to use this main squeeze stamp set. I'll have this link down below for you guys, because I wanted to kind of use the sentiment. You're simply the zest, or you're my main squeeze. And I think I want to use the you're my main squeeze. And I think I want to emboss that in gold. Let's see, guys. Will it be? I don't know. You guys ever have those moments where you're just like, you don't know what to do, how to embellish something? I don't know if I like that flower there. Oh, I'm just so undecisive. Okay, let me get my acrylic block and stamp this and emboss it. All right, so let's go ahead, rub this really good since it's new. I haven't used it. Get whatever stuff they put on here off so I can get a good impression. And then I'm gonna go in with my embossing ink. And I'm actually gonna emboss this in a pink embossing powder that I have. I think the pink will look better. Okay, I hope that that got on there good. Let me get another piece of scrap paper. And let's go ahead and pour our embossing powder. And of course, I always forget that static stuff. I don't think I got a good impression. I did get a good impression. Not the best. I'm gonna just do this and start over. Let me stamp that again, guys. Let's try that again. Here, let's pour this powder back. And let's try that again. Let's try that again. There we go. I think that's good enough. I really should be using fine embossing powder. You know what, guys? I'm gonna stamp it in pink and go with the clear. Cause I don't know, I just don't feel like that's the most legible with the mane. So let me try that again. Okay, so I'm gonna hit it with my It's a Girl from Catherine Pooler. And I'm gonna use clear embossing powder. So it can make it nice and shiny. There we go, that looks nice and legible. And then let's hit it with the clear embossing powder. Let me get my scraps. Little scrap paper. I think it coated it pretty well. Let's do one more time. Dude, I'm having the hardest time right now. All right, we'll see how that turns out. All right, so I'm gonna let it heat up. There we go. So it made it a tad bit darker, and then it also made it glossy. Let me see if I have, I know I have the coordinating die set. So it did come with a die set, but the die set didn't come with a die that coordinates with this sentiment. So we'll fussy cut it. Guys, I got these scissors, I mentioned this in another video, from scrapbook.com as a freebie. And I recently just started using them, and they are the bomb. These were on sale the last time I checked for $3.99. Definitely grab these if you don't have a pair of fussy cutting scissors, or if you're looking for new ones. Try these out. Give these a try and let me know what you guys think. They're so sharp, and they just work really well. So I'm just gonna fussy cut this. I probably should have left this square or a rectangle shape, but we're here now. So Okay. You're my main squeeze. I don't know, you guys. I'm having the hardest time embellishing this. Let me know if I should use this. You're my main squeeze. Yeah, I think I should. What if I put some floofies behind it? Let's see. Let's see if this makes any difference. I don't know, guys. I'm having the struggle bus with this. Could make it. Well, I have some smaller trim. Hold on. I already cut it. Let's trim this down. Just for a little bit of texture. I don't know. I'm struggling so much with this. So let me know if I should use that or if I should just do a sentiment. Like, I want to use the Scrap Diva Summer Words, but I don't want to use the back piece. You know what I mean? Like Sun Kiss or something. Let me try that. So here's Summer Words 1, 2025. And I'm going to use the Sun Kissed one. I like that one. I could use Sunshine too. Hopefully that's not too long. But since the letters are going to be cut out, I could always like stack them. I don't have to use it vertically only, you know? So let me grab some pink cardstock. Some scraps. And let's die cut this. Go back and forth since I'm using my heavier weight cardstock. Just to make sure I got a good cut. All right, so you're my main squeeze or the Sun Kissed. And let me actually take my white gel pen and do a few little highlights on the letters. I like doing this even when I put the layering piece on there, the shadow piece. It still looks good, so do it even if you're just gonna use it like this. And just add something extra. All right, Sun Kissed. Ooh. I don't know, I think I'm gonna like it, guys. Let's just place it on there to see first. I think I like that. I'm wondering if I should line it with white too. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna double it to give it another shadow piece. So let's die cut that again in white, and then we'll stack them so it can stand out even more. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this instead of the stamped element. Just gonna run that back and forth. Yeah. So let me show you what I mean. I'm gonna take the sun and I'm gonna offset it when I glue it. So let's go ahead and put some glue on here. I'm not sure why my camera is looking so dark. Okay. So your tweezers are gonna be your best friend with these sentiments. If I can get the glue to come out, that would be nice. So I'm gonna put like, not too much glue. There we go. Put too much. But anyways, get your glue going. And then take your back piece and you're gonna set it to where you're just gonna have a nice little edge. Like that. See? Yes. It's gonna look so much more bolder. Yeah, it's gonna pop a lot more. See that? So let's do the K. I'm putting my glue on the top layer. There we go, there goes the K. And then let's do the rest of the letters. I'll be back. All right, there we go. Let's go ahead and glue this down. So now I'm gonna go ahead and glue that back part, that white layer. And I think I'm gonna go like right there. Let's do the K. You want to use your magnets right here. Hold that down for you. Okay. Have my magnet hold that down while I'm gluing the sun. This sentiment is perfect. I'm always using the shadow pieces, so sometimes I forget, you know, that we could just use the sentiment without it. And then where did my little dot go? Did I just blow it away when I just clean it? Where did I go with it? I just had it right here, guys. Let's see if it's on the back of this. Yeah, it is right here. All right, let's do our little dot for our eye. Perfect. And there we go. Sun kiss. And don't forget, this die set comes with all these butterflies, you guys. I'm gonna make some embellishments with these and stick them on the inside of this album. I mean, this pouch. But this is how it came out. Let me know what you guys think down below of this project. And I will catch you all in the next video. Everything will be linked down below for you all. I hope you all have a great day. Bye, everyone.